Hey guys, good morning. Whiskers here. Good to have you with me back again. I hope you're having a great day out there. Previously introduced you to Connie. You already met her on the silver sneakers. Well, now I want to get into the actual physical part of working out in the gym. So I'm going to introduce you to Todd, our program manager. Here we go. Good morning, Todd. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing great. How are you doing, Whiskers?
I'm doing awesome, man. I'm doing awesome. Just kind of briefly introduce yourself. Tell me what you do here. Todd's a program manager. I think I mentioned that already.
Program manager here at Cripple Creek Parks and Rec. I've been here for 20 years.
Wow.
I'm in charge of doing the youth sports, the adult sports, and fitness is what I'm in charge of here.
What specific kind of equipment should we be working on, like as seniors, if we're wanting to just say start a through hike?
Well, when it comes to seniors, it's kind of a loaded question because everyone has different needs. Everyone has different medical scenarios. So I try to just get some questions from the participant to see what they're trying to do, what their limitations are, and then to figure out how I can best adapt something for them to give them the best results they can make.
What kind of weight or how would you recommend getting started in the gym just to start?
I think if you're trying to build up for hiking, the kind of best thing to do is some of the cardio equipment and doing the elliptical or the recumbent bike because you're able to build the muscles that you need for hiking with zero impact, meaning that there's no impact on the knees and you can build up those muscles around the knees and joints, which will help you with less wear and tear so when you are hiking. So I think cardio is the best. If you're starting out with weights, starting out small and slowly building and kind of letting your body respond to you and let you know if you're not doing enough or you're doing too much.
Awesome. Do you recommend stretching and when to do it?
Definitely recommend stretching. I usually like to have people start out with a small warm up just to get the muscles warm and then go into some stretching. Typically people do stretching when their muscles are cold, which makes it a little bit harder on the muscle and you could have a higher chance of injury or anything going on that. So just a light warm up, then going into stretching. And then another thing that people forget to do is to stretch at the end. So take some of that stiffness and soreness out at the end.
Right. Okay. To start out with, how often do you recommend like working out?
I think to really get to some results, I think you need to try at least get 3 days a week. Now you don't have to work out for hours each time, but try to get a half hour of good workout time 3 days a week to really start seeing some results. But in all honesty, it's not rocket science. You're going to get out of it what you put into it.
Anything else you want to add there, buddy?
No, I appreciate you having it on. I'd love to get more people in here and, thinking about their health and trying to be better than, where they're at and improving their life. If there's anything I can do to help, I'll be glad to help going forward.
Todd, let's go up to the gym and you can show me some specifics on equipment. How's that?
Sounds good.
Awesome. Here we go.
Right. This here we got is the elliptical. And the reason that I like the elliptical, as I was saying earlier, as you're getting into the motions, is there's zero impact on the knees. And it kind of simulates hiking or taking up stairs. And it really works the lower quads and hamstrings, which will help you build up for hiking. The best thing that I really like though is the zero impact on the knees, so you're not having the pounding like you would on other machines. So this machine here, probably the most efficient and effective for seniors and helping you with your hikes.
Awesome.
Now we are on the treadmill, and the treadmill, if anything, would be good use as far as a warm-up to get your muscles warmed up. Unless you're going to really speed it up and get some speed to it, to get the cardio out of it, or do the incline, which would help as far as hiking because you can simulate going uphill, then I wouldn't recommend it. Especially with seniors, I'm more recommending recumbent bikes and the ellipticals just for the zero impact. Just for the impact of the wear and tear on knees. So the treadmill can be an effective piece if you're utilizing it. With hiking, you can, like I said, increase your elevation and your speed, so you can speed walk uphill, and that can help build those muscle groups that will help you with your day-to-day hiking. Okay, what we have here is a recumbent bike. which also has some booster program with it that you can get some strength training. The reason why I recommend this machine is with the booster programs, and you get strength training and you get a lot of bang for your buck out of your time. You can get an arm workout, you can get your leg workout, as well as some cardio. So when you're trying to maximize strength training and cardio and you're on limited time, this is one of the best machines for that.
Awesome.
As far as whether you're a senior or a working adult and need to maximize, this is going to help you in achieving that goal. The other thing that this is good for is, again, there is no wear and tear on the knees and the joints, so therefore you're able to do strength training, strengthen around your knees, and really do get to build that max up without putting that wear and tear on the body that you will, such as watching in the hiking trails and so forth. So if you're looking for getting bang out of your buck, the recumbent bike is a good way to go. What we have here is a Precor AM team, which is an adaptive motion trainer. And what this does is it simulates stair stepping. You can simulate doing a light jog or a full out run with that. So when you're stepping on, it's going to adapt to the motions that you're doing, such as right here is a stair stepper, or I can simulate going into full stride. And the reason why this is really good is because you're simulating running with zero impact on the knees, and it really can give you one of the hardest workouts that we have in here. It's a lot tougher than your typical elliptical or your recumbent bike, which is not a machine that typically is recommended to seniors unless they're doing some more extreme or longer workouts or harder, such as Whiskers with his long hikes. So in this realm, it would be perfect for someone in that regards, but your everyday senior is not a machine that we really would recommend, because this machine will really kick your butt. Yes, it does. And it doesn't take long. You can get in here and do 5-10 minutes, work hard, and you can be in and out. All right, and that should give you the general gist of the machines to start out, how they can help you, and kind of what to expect. If you have more questions or concerns, come see us here at Cripple Creek Park and Rec. We'd be glad to help you out.
Todd, you've been awesome, man. Thank you very much for your time.
Thanks, Whiskers.
Appreciate you. This is just one phase that I'm using to get in better physical shape for the Colorado Trail in August. We've been going here for about 2 months now, and I can absolutely see the benefits and the results of how I've been working out. The next video I'm going to put out is going to be more on the mental part of getting ready for that Colorado Trail. Here we go.